Hey guys, good morning. It's day 13 technically of Vlogmas, and I just woke up and I was low-key not believing it, but guess what happened today? So a couple days ago it was like 70-ish degrees outside, but look at it now. It's actually snowing, and it never snows here, and it never sticks to the ground. It's do not. How dare. How dare.
Come on, baby.
Okay, so we are gonna make Skylar banana pancakes for breakfast, and so we're gonna run to the store really quick and grab some pancake mix. So, yeah.
Damn! Did you get that?
No.
Oh, I wish you would have. Oh my gosh.
Night,
You want this? Or you want to hold it? Okay. That was savage.
Those classy bougie ranch.
Oh no!
Oh my.
Guys, look at this big boy. Big boy snowball. So, there should be her 13th thing, whatever it is. Vlogmas. Anyways, like and subscribe right now, or else you get no cookies. No cookies. Okay? Bye.
Okay guys, so we have been clearly making a snowman's over there. Yeah, over there and over here. So let's go look at them, okay?
Come.
Okay. Okay, Skylar, what do we got here?
My snowman was eating candy.
Your snowman was
And-
eating candy.
Yeah, these his ties, his buttons, out of order though. And here's his candy.
Oh, okay. Very nice, very nice. You
And we
rolled
have
it all by
packages in
yourself too, huh?
Yeah. Shing!
Shing. And Saint is back here. He just loves the snow. And it doesn't snow very often here, but Melissa, what do we have here?
What we have is the snowman you and I built, and it has blue eyes, a carrot nose, a polo scarf, and my beanie. Oh, now it's a bald-headed potato.
Sainty,
Aww.
are you playing in the snow? You playing in the snow?
Now I gotta get a different picture.
Okay, but right now, we're not sure if we're gonna go inside and try and warm up a little bit or sled, but if we sled, you know, you guys are gonna come along with us. Yay, Vlogmas! And yeah.
Hey, right?
Oh no.
Oh my God.
Do you need help, baby? Come on from the slip stuff. Yeah, come here.
That's all on the back of your shirt, man.
You might not want to now, but I took mine in when it snowed, so it can't get on.
Oh my God.
Grab your butt.
The poor baby.
It doesn't matter. You just saved me from
It's like,
ruining the world.
oh my God. Maybe the mud isn't the best place. I love that I got most of that. Hey guys, so guess what? For the rest of this day on Vlogmas, I didn't really do much. Like, we went to Sam's after that, and Melissa got some stuff for like some little goodie bags for her coworkers, and then after that we had dinner, which was just like normal food. I can't even remember what we had for dinner, which is sad because that was yesterday, so you know it must have not been that good. And then we watched Home Alone 2, which I had never seen, and it's actually pretty funny, super child appropriate, and it's Christmas related, so that's what we did. And then that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so sorry that today was like super short and I didn't really get a whole bunch of like super good clips, but that's basically all that we did technically yesterday. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you do subscribe. Like Skylar said, you won't get cookies, okay, for the rest of your life. No cookies. Okay, thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.